Hello everyone, my name is Love Chisom. If this is the first time of coming across my video, you are welcome. Okay, on today's video, let me show you how to make this collar and how I attach this to a pocket cover here. Okay, this is my mom's dress. Let me show you how I made it. Okay, and also how to cut out a cut together pocket. That is what I'm going to show you here. Okay, then for the neck, normal your neck width should be 3 inches. Then for your neck depth, you're going to come down by 9 inches and go in by 1 inch. I have a lot of videos here how to make it. So for the cut together pocket, come from your shoulder, come down by 18 inches and give it any curve of your choice. That is what I'm doing here. Okay, give it any curve of your choice, then come down by 8 inches here. You mark that 8 inches, you sew with half inch by the side when closing. Sew with half inch when closing, so that then you will be left with 7 inches to have the space to dip your hand inside. So that is it. I'm going to cut it out. Then you will see the neck shape of the neck when I will be cutting it. This is not how I'm not here to show you how to cut a boo-boo. It's just how to cut this cut together pocket and the neck, and to sew how to sew the collar. Okay, for your neck, if you want to cut the neck of your dress for this collar, your neck width of 3 inches. Come down by 1 inch for the back. Then for the front, you go down by 9 inches. On that 9 inches, you go in by 1 inch. Then use your straight ruler to mark it to your shoulder. So look at it here. That shape is what you will get. So you open it, join your two shoulders together. After joining your back and front shoulder, this is what you have. So to attach the pocket cover that I just add there as far design, you come down by 7 inches. It will not be exactly where pocket used to stay, just it will shift a little. So from the center of your gown, you go in by 5 inches. Then you mark the line to that 7 inches. There, mark it to 7 inches. So sorry. You also repeat the same thing here. Mark it to that 7 inches. Right now you're going to place the whatever design you want to put there. Then you can place it. So this is the pocket cover, the design that I just want to put. You know my grandmama, how they used to do. They say you did not design my clothes, so I have to do this for her. You are going to pin and turn it this way. You pin after sewing, then you turn it to the other side and top stitch. That is all. So for the collar, join your two shoulders, front and back shoulders together. Then I will show you the next thing to do. For this dress, I did not open the shoulder. I did not cut the shoulder. I did not slant the shoulder. It's just cut together. Everything showed, just the shoulder are there, just cut together. So right here, I'm trying to measure my collar. This is how to sew the collar. Measure it round. Now you are going to start sewing. Please make sure you have up to 3 inches there. Okay, place it this way. Make sure something came out of here. Just place it this way. After measuring your shoulder, please add 3 or 4 inches to the measurement, whatever you get. Add 3 or 4 inches when you are cutting, so that you can have a space enough to stitch down there. So after that, you are going to notch wherever you stopped you are going to notch. So I will show you the notch here. I'm done sewing it. I'll show you the notch here. So right here, I've sewn it round. So when you get to that end, you're going to notch so that you can be able to fold it inside. Look at the notch there. That is what I'm showing you. That is what I'm trying to open. Look at it. Look at it on the other side, to that side too. Then you are going to fold it inside. fold it inside. Go to your ironing table and give it a very good press. And I've ironed this one. When you fold it inside, that notch there will help you to fold in there. That place I'm showing you now, it will help you to fold it in. Then you iron it and everything will look like this. It will just come out. If you just do what I showed you now, it will come out this way. No stress. Now to stitch it from the under, you have to flip it open it. When you open it, the iron that you gave there will give you a line to sew. Look at it. That iron will give you a line to sew. Then you go and sew. That is all. You go and sew. After that, you turn it over, fold your sleeves, and close your dress. To just come out this way. Just follow this process. You will get it exactly like this. So the next thing you do is to just fold your sleeve. Fold your sleeve, then you close your pockets, close the dress. You also do the same thing here. Close, then fold the down parts. That is the end of the class. Now see the end results. If you watch this video to this extent, thank you very much. I so much appreciate. Please subscribe, click the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye.